Cinco Linko, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to connect 5 tiles in a row horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Setup. Give each player a stack of tiles. Pick one player to go first, who places one tile in the middle of the table. Then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, lay down a tile so that it is adjacent to a flat edge of at least one other tile. You may not lay down a tile corner to corner. The first player to connect 5 in a row wins. If you run out of tiles in your stack and no winner has emerged, then, on your turn, instead of placing a new tile, you must move one of your tiles already in play to a new location using the same placement rules as before. When moving a tile, you must also always make sure that the surrounding tiles are still properly connected.